Dear students, good morning to all. Welcome to our channel Pipasa Patshala. Today we will write an English essay on love of home. Home is the best place on earth for a person. My home is really a heavenly place to me. At home, I live with my parents, my brother, my sister, and my grandparents. Ours is a loving family and we love one another very dearly. Our home is, so to say, a temple. My grandparents love us with all their heart. They give us noble advice and guidance. My parents are full of love for me. They are very hardworking and dutiful. I have learnt the first lessons of love, obedience, and discipline from them. I hope it will remain a happy home always. This is all about the essay Love of Home. Thank you.